Hey everybody, Glenn here. Just outside right now. It's what, around 3 o'clock, a little after, and just checking in with the storm here. And they say that this is just like the tip of the iceberg. That we're gonna get more. This is like nothing. The two storms that are gonna meet together haven't met yet. They're on their way to do that, and so those two storms meet together. We're going to start seeing some real significant snow. Um, Tonight we'll start seeing the significant snowfall, and the wind's already starting to pick up. You know, I can feel it now. If you take a look, you can see the trees starting to move. Oh yeah, it's definitely picking up. So, yep. Okay, that's it. See ya.